Today I'm going to show you how you can install 2 WhatsApp applications on Lenovo Smart Tab Yoga. So I'm gonna show you the 2 methods for that. In the first one, open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp Business app. Install that one, and by this quick way we have 2 WhatsApp applications from the official source. Okay, now the second method. Go to the Play Store like before and look for the 2 Accounts app. Install it and open. Agree the terms. And tap on the Allow. Now choose WhatsApp icon, then whole process starts automatically and we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.